Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Yes, I'm bundled up like it's a blizzard outside because it's a blizzard outside. It's a Minnesota spring. And what's happened is it went from 70 degrees to raining to ice storm to snowing. So I'm all bundled up today and my joints hurt and I don't want to work. But I have to work. I'm not cleaning. I ain't gonna lie. And it's like my mess went, then we're going to kill you. It heard me and went, we're going to fall on you now. Don't you dare. I'll donate all of you. So help me God. I will take you to the thrift store. Don't even start project stuff. Got project stuff. I got like all of this garbage over here. All of these treasures over here. All of my paints, stains, pieces I need to try, products to try, papers to decoupage, new papers to try. Oh my God, it's so much. But in the midst of all this cleaning, I'm finding doom pile projects and things that I needed to take care of for myself, like my lamp yesterday, right? Like the light. It took how long? I don't know, 15 minutes? It took me longer to unscrew the other one because it was stuck up there than it did to actually drill that thing out. So I have another one that's mine, and it will take me literally minutes to do. And it's been sitting in here for at least 5 years. It's this. It's my foo dog. I have this wonderful little foo dog statue that I'm in love with. I love this little guy. I love him. He protects my front door, right? So he fell off. He fell off the entryway table some time ago, and I think it was because like I had Victoria was a lot younger then. I want to say she was like 9. So maybe it was 6 years ago now. But there was the winter coats and hats, and everybody was like throwing all their garbage on there. And then it just kind of got shoved over and over and over till it fell off. And then he dislocated himself from the base. You know what this is going to take to put back on? That's it. Have I done it? Nope. No, I have not. But I love this little guy. I love the color. It's not real jade. No, it's plastic. Obviously, if it was real jade, Stacy'd be having some bank, right? Like I'd be making bank if I got real jade. But it's plastic. It's a reproduction. But I just think he's beautiful. Like the color's beautiful. I just think he's so cute. But he's just really, really pretty to me. Like it's got paint on it. It's been in here so long. I gotta get the paint off of him. But I love the green and the whites and the yellows that mix together. And it just adds a little pop of color to my entryway. And I like him. So I got to put him back together and get him out of this room because he doesn't belong in here. He belongs in a very nice place. So you can see it's got like where he was glued before. I don't know that that's going to come off. I don't think so. I think his feet actually have little spots that sits in. Yeah, you can almost like stage him right there. So we are going to glue him today because my hands hurt and I can't really do much else. I hate that. I hate that my hands hurt today, but it was 70 degrees when I woke up yesterday and it dropped down to like 20 overnight and my hands are like not having it. And then when it starts to even out again, my hands will be fine and I'll be able to work again. But right now, my hands are like, I will kill you if you try anything. So we're going to use some epoxy. I got a 2-part epoxy from Gorilla Glue. And if you've never used a 2-part epoxy before, so they come in tubes like this, or they come in 2 separate tubes. If you buy this one, you just squeeze evenly, mix the epoxy, and you're all set. If you got the 2 separate tubes, you're going to want a 1-to-1 mixture. And I'm going to explain to you what a 1-to-1 mixture is because I've been asked that question more than once. What do you mean 1-to-1? Equal parts. So if I use a thumbnail or a fingernail worth on one side, I need a fingernail from the other side, right? Like if you do an inch line on one, you do an inch line on the other. If I do a 1/2 cup of one, I need a 1/2 cup of another. If I do a cup of one, I need a cup of another. That. If I do an ounce of one, I need an ounce of the other. 1-to-1. Equal parts of part A and part B. And it's okay that people don't understand that because I think when they ask me that question, they're going, what's the exact amount of each one I have to put in? It doesn't matter what the exact amount of each one is, as long as they're equal. So what I'll do if I have epoxy and I have them in the 2-part and I only need a little bit, is I'll get a little piece of wood or a little piece of paper and I'll do a line on one. And then I'll take the other side and put the exact same length line on the other one. That's as precise as you need to be. Okay? Don't feel like you got to put it on a scale and weigh it or anything like that. Make sure those 2 lines are equal length or as close to equal length as you can get them. You'll be fine. It's not rocket science. We're okay. All right? If one has a little tail on it that's longer than the other little tail, it will still work. Don't panic. Okay, I'm here to tell you this is not rocket science. Sometimes, I mean, you'd have to be way off on your epoxy because sometimes even when I press this plunger, one side will come out a little bit more than the other because there are different thicknesses in here. You can see this one's already developing a bubble while this one's slower at developing a bubble. Do you see the bubble? This is a thinner material on the top than the one on the bottom. So when I start pushing the plunger down, this one likes to come out a lot faster. So typically there's going to be a lot more of the clear one than the yellow one because the yellow one is thicker. But they're about equal. Get them as close to equal as you can get and don't panic. All right, I'm here to tell you you're okay. All right? Using epoxy stinks. It smells bad. Think perm. But don't panic. You can do it. All right. So I'm here to give you the confidence you need to use the products that you need to make sure your stuff don't fall apart. Because I could hot glue this, but it's going to come off again. Like the second I pick it up. This thing is heavy, by the way. Heavy. Like whoever molded this is solid. If I tried to use a clear glue, like an E6000, it's going to come apart. The epoxy, it ain't going nowhere. All right. So I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to flip you guys around so you can see. But I wanted to go over that because I think people panic when they start using a product they've never used before, they're not familiar with, or it's 2 parts like this. And they're like, what? I'm good. It's not going to work. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Okay. You're all right. If it's close enough, it's close enough. All right. And I just use a piece of scrap wood. As you can tell, this has been used for epoxy before. I ain't going nowhere. I suppose I could pull, but it's going to break because it's embedded in the epoxy. But I just use a piece of scrap wood. This is a 2-part epoxy. This is the same epoxy we're going to be using. I'm going to use the back side. This is a 2-part epoxy. You just get it close. And I have things that I freak out about too. Like when I start a new project or new product I've never used before. So, I mean, it happens. Like we all have the moment of, I'm going to screw it up. But here's the thing. So what? We'll fix it. All right? Don't worry. We'll fix it. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to be just fine. We will fix it. All right? So let me get you switched around. All right, so I've removed the lid. You can see the clear is already starting to come out. You're going to need like a popsicle stick or something to mix it with. But look, the clear is already starting to come out. So that's what I mean about it's not that big of a deal. One is going to come out faster than the other one, and you just plunge it out. See that yellow one? Come on, yellow. Does not want to come out. There we go. So we're gonna, now they're coming out like crazy. Now put the lid on. Make sure you get the yellow side back on the yellow side and not the clear side on the yellow side, or they will harden. So the two parts are there. We're gonna mix them. And it smells like an awful, awful perm. See how it's going opaque? Turning white there. A chemical reaction is happening. Then all we're going to do is scoop some. And we're going to butter his little butt here with some epoxy. When this stuff is sticky, it will get all over your fingers. I probably should be wearing gloves. I did not. Should I be wearing a respirator? Probably. There's probably somebody out there screaming at the screen right now. But I don't. You do you. You take care of your health better than I take care of mine, please. Now we're just buttering his feet. Okay. Go away. Set that aside. And we're going to get him positioned. Yeah, that's right. Because that's his front foot right there. And a little bit has come out the sides, but I'm okay with it. And this is mine. Now, if it was not mine and I was going to sell this, I would probably go in and like clean up all the edges. I don't care. It's just going in my house. He's just mine. So there. I mean, that took what, seconds? I talked to you longer than it took to actually mix the epoxy and get him fixed. And now he's just got to dry. I'll come back in a little bit. I'm going to go watch horrible documentaries. I'm going to go watch documentaries about sociopaths and like scare myself half to death because my daughter's out in this world. But we're going to let him sit here and cure, dry, do his thing. I'll come back in a few hours and I'll show you how he's set up, okay? Have we checked another doom pile project off the list? We have. Ooh, I'm happy. It's silly, but I love this little thing. And now I'm just going to scratch this paint off here. Yeah, I can scratch it off. Here, I've got this. Well, maybe not. Well, anyway, he's done. And why have you been sitting on my doom pile for 5 years? I mean, explain yourself. It's time for him to come out. Time for him to come out and play. Time for you to protect the house again. All right, it's going in the entryway. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.